You've felt it, haven't you? That sudden, inexplicable drop in temperature. 1 week, the intimacy is high, the passion is palpable, and the sparks are flying. You think you've finally found the one, then without warning, she changes. She starts taking you for granted. She becomes less affectionate, less kind, and less sweet. You send a text. She takes 6 hours to reply with a one-word answer. You suggest a date. She's busy, but you see her out with friends on Instagram. Most men respond to this by panicking. They think, if I just show her how much I care, she'll come back. They apologize for things they didn't do. They plead, and they beg. But here is the brutal truth of female psychology. A woman cannot love a man she does not respect, and she will never truly respect a man she knows will never leave. Today we are decoding the loyalty shift. We're going to look at why your niceness is actually killing her attraction, how your refusal to walk away is seen as a sign of weakness, and the exact psychological mechanism that flips the script. This isn't about mind games. It's about the raw, visceral reality of human value. If you want her loyalty, you have to be the man who is willing to lose her. To understand loyalty, you have to understand the magnet effect. In a successful relationship, attraction works through opposing charges. Typically, the woman holds the risk-positive charge. She is the one actively investing, seeking connection, and chasing the emotional bond. For this to work, the man must maintain a asterisk, negative charge. Now, negative doesn't mean being a bad person or being mean. It means your focus is internal. You are invested in your own life, your goals, your health, your fitness, and your future. You are a mystery and a challenge. The moment you let anxiety infect the relationship, you flip your charge. You start chasing her. You make the relationship the only thing you think about. You become too responsive, answering texts in seconds, calling too much, and being too available. Research published Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin confirms that men who are too responsive and don't present a challenge are seen as less attractive. When you both have a positive charge, meaning you are both chasing, you repel each other. She pulls away because there is no space for her to move toward you. By refusing to walk away when she treats you poorly, you are proving that you have no negative charge, you have no gravity of your own. You are just an orbiter in her world, and nobody respects an orbiter. Before a woman pulls away with her words, she pulls away with her body. Most men miss these silent signals because they don't understand the hierarchical zones of trust. Think of her body as a series of emotional portals. Every time she lets you enter one, she is making an unconscious decision about your value. Level 1. The arms and shoulders. This is neutral territory. If she lets you touch her here, she's just saying you aren't a threat. The hands and wrists. This is where intimacy begins. If she stops holding your hand or pulls her wrist away, she is reclaiming her pulse, her life force from your influence. Level 3. The waist and lower back. This is the territorial zone. She can't see you when you're there, so it requires instinctive trust. If she stops leaning into your hand at her waist, she is rejecting your physical leadership. Level 4. The neck and face. This is sacred ground. The neck is biologically vulnerable. If she no longer allows you to touch her face, she is closing the portal to her identity. Level 5. The hair. This is the ultimate zone of surrender. A woman's hair is her femininity, an identity. When she lets you touch it and she reacts by tilting her head or closing her eyes, her nervous system is in a state of total safety. The loyalty shift happens when you ignore the closing of these portals. If she closes the hair portal and you respond by trying to force your way into the face portal, she loses respect for you. The man who can walk away notices when a portal is closing, and instead of trying to pry it open, he steps back entirely. This creates the vacuum she needs to feel the loss of your presence. Now, you have to understand that women are often strategic with their attraction. They are naturally cautious because they don't want to look desperate or lose power. This is why she might give you mixed signals, one day warm, the next day cold. This is the push-pull game. She pulls back to see how you respond. If you panic and chase, you show her that your emotional state is dependent on her. If you stay calm and unfazed, you prove that you are not emotionally dependent on her mood swings. She may even use jealousy tests, mentioning another guy or being flirty in front of you. She isn't doing this because she wants the other guy. She's watching you like a hawk to see if your energy changes. She wants to see if you have the emotional strength to remain secure. The man who can walk away is the only man who passes these tests. He doesn't overreact or demand answers. He understands that if her behavior becomes disrespectful, his only move is to remove his presence. Respect is not something you negotiate. It is something you command through your boundaries. Now, there is a difference between a woman testing you and a woman who is simply emotionally damaged. If she pulls away and displays the following behaviors, her respect is likely unearned, and your loyalty is being wasted. 1. She is a taker. You do everything, but she never reciprocates affection, service, or effort. 2. She never owns her part. Everything that goes wrong is someone else's fault, usually yours. 3. She trashes her exes. If everyone in her past was a monster, you are next on the list. 4. She never cheers for your wins. She cuts you down because she fears you'll realize you're too good for her. 5. She creates drama for the sake of it. She stirs the pot because she feels boring on the inside. A high-value woman is self-satisfied and content in her own life. She doesn't need to play games to feel alive. But if you are with a woman who uses the pull-away as a weapon to control you, walking away isn't just a strategy, it's your salvation. Many men lose a woman's respect because they become the empty suit. This is especially common in long-term marriages or relationships, where a man adopts the role of the provider or the rock. You think that by paying the mortgage, funding the lifestyle, and absorbing all the chaos, you are earning her loyalty. But often, you are just fulfilling a contract. When the kids are gone and the job description of dad and provider changes, you are left with identity dissolution. You realize you haven't invested in yourself for decades. If looking at you reminds her of a role that now feels hollow, she will pull away. You become a ghost in your own home. You might feel lonelier with her than you would be alone. The man who can walk away is the man who recognizes when the partnership has become purely functional. He is the man who refuses to stay in a relationship where he is invisible. Loyalty cannot be bought with a paycheck. It is sustained by the presence of a man who still has a soul outside of his responsibilities. When she pulls away, the most effective tool in your arsenal, no contact rule, most men fear that if they stop texting, she will forget them. The opposite is true. Silence creates a sense of anxiety and scarcity. When you stop reaching out, she starts to wonder, has he met someone else? Did I lose my power over him? Her attention shifts from getting away from you to why isn't he chasing me? By implementing no contact, you 1. Restore your dignity and value. You prove you don't need her to be happy. 2. People who are less available are seen as more attractive. 3. Flip the charge. You go from the positive, chasing, back to the negative, mystery. You must understand, you cannot break a man by rejecting him. You break him by making his effort meaningless. If your effort is being ignored, you must withdraw it entirely. Let the silence speak for you. If she returns, or when you meet a woman who aspect you, you don't need witty lines or status demonstrations. You need presence. There is a gesture that melts a woman's defenses, and it's built on 3 elements. 1. The slow and deliberate approach. Don't rush. Rushing signals impulsiveness. Moving with purpose signals self-control. 2. The firm yet soft gaze. This is a gaze that says, I am here with you, and I don't need anything from you. If you look for her approval, you lose. If you look to share the moment, you win. 3. The secure silence. This is the most powerful. Most men are terrified of silence and fill it with nervous chatter. But well-handled silence is magnetic. It shows you are comfortable with yourself and the connection. This combination activates her parasympathetic nervous system, the system of safety and connection. It releases oxytocin, but it only works if it's authentic. You can't perform it. You have the man who is already whole. The day a man finally chooses himself is the day his entire life changes. This isn't about being cold or selfish. It's about realizing that the one person you've abandoned for the sake of the relationship is yourself. Every man has a breaking point. For some, it's a betrayal. For others, a divorce or a health scare. This is the moment your life shifts from leadership. You start building discipline instead of excuses. You choose a mission, not just a paycheck. You realize that if your happiness depends on anyone else, you are fragile. A man focusing on his goals is not pulling away from a woman. He is pulling himself out of the version of himself that was built on fear. Fear of not being enough, or fear of disappointing others. When you choose yourself, you don't lose the right people. You lose the wrong people and attract the right ones. There is a massive difference between a man who needs a woman and a man who chooses one. One comes from insecurity, the other comes from identity. When you know your worth, you become dangerous in the best possible way. Rooted, intentional, and disciplined. In the end, the loyalty shift is a return to sanity. Modern dating can feel like a marketplace where you are constantly being measured and compared. You can match with 500 people and still feel empty if every connection is surface level. Men are walking away from this game not out of hate, but out of exhaustion. They've realized that peace is the ultimate prize. Peace is addictive. Once a man tastes the silence of his own company, the chaos of a push-pull relationship becomes unbearable. If a woman pulls away, let her. Don't chase an illusion. Focus on the man in the mirror. Because when a man is truly at peace, he doesn't beg, He doesn't argue, and he doesn't chase. He simply exists, grounded, whole, and untouchable. She will only respect you when she realizes you don't need her to be happy. She will only be loyal when she knows that if she crosses your boundaries, you have the strength to walk out the door and never look back. Build the man, find your peace, and the right world will follow.